Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to this incredible chess course in which the magic of Mikhail Tal will be revealed. Mikhail Tal, the greatest attacking grandmaster. What is Elvis Presley to music and Bruce Lee to martial arts? That is Mikhail Tal to chess. Mikhail Tal became popular because he played totally different chess. People quite often compare Tal's style and Botvinnik's style. Botvinnik played logical and calculating chess. Some people say sometimes boring, but it was a rational chess. Mikhail Tal played wrong chess. Entertaining, spectacular, dramatic, combinational, unpredictable, and wild. Tal would sacrifice minor pieces, major pieces, pawns, creating combinations so complicated that most of his opponents couldn't calculate at all. His opponents would get nervous, sweat, make mistakes, and lose. But in recent years, when powerful computers became available, it was often proven that some, quite a few, of Tal's crazy sacrifices and combinations were unsound. But Tal played against humans, not against computers. What else can we say about Tal? People know that he was a great tactician, but Boris Spassky said that he was a great strategist. Tal created positions in which he could create his crazy sacrifices. That was an art of strategy. Tal was born in 1936 and died in 1992, 55 years old. Too early. Okay, enough talk. Let's start with the course.